Hello, and welcome back to our channel for All About Drink. Today, we transport you to the enchanting vineyards and luxurious lounges of Italy as we dive into the world of a classic fruity concoction, the Rossini. Rossini, an iconic Italian cocktail, is a harmonious blend of fresh strawberry puree and chilled Prosecco. A fruity variation of the classic Bellini, this drink is as vivacious and delightful as the famous composer it's named after, Gioachino Rossini. Let's talk about its historical background. The Rossini cocktail, named after the celebrated Italian composer, is believed to have originated in Venice. Just like Rossini's operas, this drink has been charming audiences with its distinctive blend of sweetness and effervescence. Here we can see the processing technique. Creating a Rossini is as simple as it is satisfying. Blend fresh strawberries to a fine puree, pour it into a champagne flute, and top with chilled Prosecco. The result? A cocktail that sings with flavor. Now reveal its unknown facts. Did you know that while the Rossini is a year-round favorite, it's especially popular in the spring and summer months when strawberries are at their freshest? Or that despite its sophisticated taste, the Rossini is renowned for its simplicity, requiring just 2 main ingredients? And here's a fun fact. Rossini was not only a composer but a renowned gourmet and epicure. This delightful cocktail serves as a tribute to his enduring legacy in both music and gastronomy. So, there you have it, the vibrant, fresh, and tantalizing Rossini, a true masterpiece of Italian mixology. If you enjoyed our journey into this classic cocktail, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Mixology Masters for more libation explorations. Until next time, cheers!